Hello everyone, this is Ming Zhong. Welcome to today's market analysis for the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So in this video, I'm going to show you the walkthrough or the market recap for the yesterday's sessions, including the trade reviews, exit entries, trade setups, and also the bias going forward, key levels to pay attention to, and most importantly is the potential setup for the US session later on. Alright, so let's just get started here. As you can see, I'm on a daily chart for the S&P 500. So yesterday we have a bearish session, and I think we have tested the resistance level at 2880 and have some kind of reaction all the way back to 2850. Then we bounce back, and we only have a last hour sell-off if I remember correctly. So let's get into H1 for more details. Okay, so you can see that on a H1 time frame, that's the opening bar here. So basically what I mentioned about the resistance level from 2880 to 2900. So this is the resistance level. So if you are aware of this level, then you probably have a chance to initiate a short trade all the way down to 2850. But if not, no worries. I think 2850 does provide some kind of the long entry, which I will dive into M3 for more details. But you can see that on this H1 chart here, although we have some kind of bounce from this level 2850, which has proven to be a very key level or a good or important level to watch, because you can see that the price actually interacts at this level quite a lot of times, whether it bounce up, penetrate through, or get rejected. So I think still is a key level for us to watch. But back to this key level, you can see that after several bounce, I think the lift just loosened the strength, and there isn't much strength to get lift up from this level, so eventually lead to a sell-off at the last hour. You can see the sell-off bar here. But since then we have recovered from the Asian session through the London session, and currently in the middle of nowhere. Probably it will just go back and retest, or maybe go higher and have some kind of reaction. I don't really know. But anyway, let's just get to lower time frame for M3 and look into some trades review, including the entry, exit points, and the setup points. So as I mentioned in my video yesterday, I talked about 2850 for the potential long entry if it bounces up from there. So this is one of the setup that I would actually like to see. You can, let me just highlight this. Okay, so this is 2850, or yeah, 50 is here. So it actually just bounce up from this level, or you can just draw a few more lines. It doesn't really matter. So once you see the reversal, then I think this is somewhere that we can initiate long entry. Reversal, have a back test with this bar. So this is the kind of the entry that I will take. And with a trailing stop, you probably can exit somewhere around there. If you try at this behind this bar here, then you get stop out at 1103 at this bar. So this is the trade that I actually took. But I think I did miss out one of the good trade from the start here, because if you pay attention to, I think this is quite a nice trade as well. So initially that we have a breakout at 9:30, breakout, retest, but eventually just fail. So this is another kind of the entry that I love. But I didn't really trade because I didn't really prepare for this level. I am actually hoping for break above to test the 2890, or at least the swing high around there. So I didn't really take this trade. But some of you might probably observe this, and this is quite a nice trade once it just break below. So it's like a false breakout or uptrust, or you can just view it as for people already entered a long entry for the breakout, but essentially just need to close the long entry, and that actually propel the sell-off from the opening, so all the way through there. So I think this is quite a nice trade if you trail the short there, or you can just manually exit it around the support level at 2850, but unfortunately didn't take it. So this is a trade that I took, the bounce from this level. So but unfortunately you can see that the bounce is not really that strong. It actually have quite a few times tested this 2854, 53, 52 the level, and then bounce up again and another bounce, and eventually you can see that, well, the leaf sort of like losing strength. So eventually it just gets sell off below this level. So you see that the demand wasn't strong from yesterday around this level, so it gets sell off. Okay, so just back to today's analysis. Let's get into H1 time frame. Okay, all right, so we can see that since last night close, then we have basically recover majority of the gain or majority of the losses, and we have a gain of around 1% at the moment. I think the setup is still pretty much similar to yesterday's setup, which is so far I'm quite neutral, because I think we are still in this kind of trading range from 2900 to 80 to 900 to, we can probably extend it to here. So it's still kind of ranging here, but I'm actually looking for a long trade to wait for a pullback somewhere around there, and maybe a continuation. So basically I'm still looking at 2840 to 2850 as a launching pad to initiate long entry. So as long as there is some kind of the rejection or bounce up from this level, then I think a good long, it could just become a long entry. However, if it just continue to inch up or jump up to 280 to 2900, then I can probably anticipate the short entry if it get rejected there. So this is the kind of the trade that I'm actually looking for. Whether it's a long entry or a short entry, it doesn't really matter to me. What matters is the price action, whether there is a clear or clean setup for me. So I think going forward, we are still in a big range there that's formed from 17th of April. If we just extend this, I think this is the level that I'm looking at. So we are still in a big trading range, kind of resolve itself slowly. From a swing trading point of view, I am bullish, because as long as I think we still able to maintain above 2830 or even the 2770, then I think we still have a chance to go up to hit the higher levels at 2960. Key levels that I am paying attention to obviously is resistance level at 2880 to 2900, which is somewhere very close to the swing highs. And for the support level, the first support level that I pay attention to is 2840 to 2850, and that is where I am anticipating a long entry, whether you can just retrace it a bit and bounce up from there. And of course, another support level is the swing low there, 2820. But if it fails, then I think we could easily see a test at 2800 to 2770. That's when it fails to defend this 2825 levels, somewhere around there. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy this and get something useful out from this video. So if you like it, just click like, and also hover to my name, picture to follow me, and also to remember to subscribe to my video channel so that you get instant notification for my futures ideas. So if you have any kind of questions, comments, suggestion, just leave me a comment below because I will definitely reply to you. Alright, thank you for watching. Thanks for your time, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.